Hey guys, it's Keke and I'm back with another video. And in today's video I have a dirt cheap and a Dollar Tree haul. So I'm going to start with dirt cheap first. So I picked up these two frames here and it just says family, the ones we live with, laugh and love. And I will have all of the prices on the screen. So I will put all of the prices on the screen because I got these at a discounted price. So I also picked up this decorative chalkboard. And it's just a bunny and with chalk. I also picked up this chalkboard here and it just has gold hearts at the top. I also picked up from Dirt Cheap the Easter basket wrap in the 2-pack. I purchased this serve and slice and easy cake cutter. I also found the Eco Tools 4-piece brush set, the color correct and perfect brush set here, and I thought this was a great find. Oops. Also from Dirt Cheap I got this bath mat, and it's just a peachy color. It's a light pink color. I also purchased this bowl here. And from Dollar Tree I purchased two of the glass vases here. Purchased two of those. I purchased this love sign. It is just black and yellow and white. I also purchased this sign here. It says pantry, and I purchased two from the Flora Garden. I purchased the peonies. There's these pink ones here, and I purchased the hydrangeas, and they were by the Flora brand. So I purchased those. So you guys, that completes my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.